Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to delete things in Clash of Clans. First, locate an unwanted tree, rock, or bush on your village layout. Tap on it, and a small information box will appear, showing you the cost to remove it. This usually costs a small amount of gold or elixir, like 1,000 gold for a rock. Confirm the action to begin the removal process, which often takes just a few seconds. After confirming the removal, one of your available builders will begin clearing the obstacle. The time taken varies. A small mushroom might take just 3 seconds, while a large rock could take up to 8 hours. For example, a large rock typically costs 20,000 gold. Once cleared, the builder is freed up for other tasks, and the space becomes available for your village expansion. Clearing obstacles is a great way to earn free gems, which are vital for speeding up upgrades or purchasing shields. Each removal can randomly grant you between 1 and 6 gems, making it a valuable resource. Consider keeping special seasonal obstacles, like celebratory trees or unique statues, as they appear only once a year. These add a distinctive touch to your village. Unlike natural obstacles, your main buildings cannot be permanently deleted from your village. Instead, you can move them to new locations using the layout editor, allowing complete redesigns. Certain decorations, such as small flower beds or banners, can be sold for a fraction of their purchase price. Simply tap on the decoration, then choose the sell option to regain a few gold coins.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.